Every clean finish you see starts way before the spray gun even comes out. And today we're working on this black Mercedes-Benz GLC 43. And trust me, black paint doesn't forgive mistakes. It remembers everything: dust, fingerprints, even your bad decisions. So right now, I'm not just cleaning the car. I'm removing anything that can ruin the clear coat, because one tiny particle can turn a perfect finish into a full redo. A lot of people rush this step. They just want to spray and be done. And that's exactly why their clear coat ends up looking like orange peel. But today, I'm going to show you how to lay down a glass smooth clear coat. Step by step. No shortcuts, no guessing, just clean professional results. And here it is. The Mercedes is shining like it's trying to blind me. Look at that gloss, that depth. You could almost see your face in it. This is why prep and clear coat matter. It turns a clean car into a mirror on wheels. Honestly, if this car could talk, it'd probably say, "I woke up like this." All right, now the car is clean. And I mean properly clean. No dust, no fingerprints, no surprises waiting to mess up the clear coat. Because here's the thing, clear coat doesn't hide anything. It actually exposes everything. So if your prep is bad, your finish is going to tell on you immediately. Right now, this is exactly what you want before you even think about spraying. A clean, smooth surface, ready for that glass finish. Skip this step, and you're basically signing up for problems. Check this out. The base coat is already down, and look at that depth in the color. This is the foundation for a flawless, clear coat, and you can already see how it makes the paint pop. A good base coat isn't just about color. It's about giving the clear coat something to cling to, smooth and even. This is where the magic really starts. All right, time to lay down the first pass of clear coat, and this is where the magic begins. Before you start, remember, it's not just about spraying and hoping for the best. Think of it like painting a masterpiece. Every stroke counts. Now hold your gun like you mean it. Not too close, not too far. About 6 to 8 inches away. Too close and you get runs. Too far and it looks like someone sneezed paint on the car. And nobody wants that. Start from the top and work your way down in smooth, even passes. Overlap each pass just a little, like shingles on a roof. This ensures no patchy spots, and your clear coat will self-level beautifully. Oh, and don't forget the flash time. This is the few minutes where the solvent starts to evaporate before the next coat. Patience here pays off. Rushing it is like trying to microwave a steak. You'll regret it. Keep an eye on your spray pattern too. A fan that's too wide wastes paint. Too narrow and you'll get streaks. Find the sweet spot and you'll be rewarded with that mirror-like gloss. Now a little trick I like to do, tilt your body slightly, move with the gun, and always watch how the light hits the paint. It's the only way to catch dust nibs, tiny runs, or spots that need another touch. And remember, don't panic if it looks patchy at first. The first pass is just laying the foundation. Clear coat is forgiving, but only if you respect it. Spraying clear is like a dance. Smooth, controlled, and with just the right tempo. Too fast and you streak. Too slow and you flood. But nail the rhythm and it starts looking like glass. Finally, step back, take a breath, admire the shine forming. The first pass is done, and that's when you start seeing why all this prep and patience actually matters. So yeah, keep it smooth, keep it steady, and most importantly, have a little fun with it. Your clear coat will thank you, and so will your viewers. Now, as we keep moving along, notice how the clear coat starts to level out. This is the part where patience really pays off. It's almost like watching a liquid mirror form. And yes, it's tempting to get in a hurry, but don't. One rush pass can undo all the hard work you did cleaning and prepping the car. Keep your gun moving smoothly. No jerks, no stops. Think of it like icing a cake. Slow, even strokes, and you avoid those ugly lines. A little tip. Watch how the light glides over the paint. That reflection tells you exactly where the clear is laying, thick or thin. Adjust as you go. and don't be afraid to have a little fun with it. Make those passes almost dance-like. All right, first coat is down, and now we let it flash off. This is when the solvents start to evaporate and the clear coat begins to set. Don't touch it, don't rush it. It needs a few minutes to calm down and start leveling itself out. Think of it like giving the car a little coffee break before the next round. Patience here makes all the difference between orange peel and that perfect glass finish. All right, time for the second coat. This is where things start really popping. Remember the first coat? That was the foundation. This one? This is where we turn it from good to flawless. Start at the top again, smooth, even passes. The trick with the second coat is controlling the wetness. You want it glossy, but not so wet that it runs. Too wet and you'll be sanding tomorrow. Too dry and it won't level properly. Keep your fan pattern consistent. Overlap just like before, but now you can start noticing how the clear coat begins to self-level more easily. The first coat did the hard work. This coat's the reward. Here's a tip. Slightly tilt your gun as you move along curves and edges. The light hitting the surface tells you if the coat is even. If you see little shadows or dull spots, give them a gentle pass. Don't overthink it. Think of it like brushing paint onto a shiny canvas. And don't forget the rhythm. Smooth, steady, confident. Treat the gun like it's part of your arm. Jerky movements or stopping mid-pass. Instant runs. We're not here for horror stories. We're here for mirror-like shine. Keep an eye on edges and corners. They're tricky spots that can dry faster and catch dust. A careful, gentle pass is all it takes. Remember, we're not rushing. The clear coat deserves respect. A little humor for you. If this were a dance, the first coat was the rehearsal. The second coat, that's the performance. Smooth, flowing, and looking like it was born to shine. By now, the paint is leveling beautifully. See that gloss starting to reflect everything around it? That's what all this prep and patience was for. Step back every so often. Check your work from different angles. Light hitting it differently will reveal any uneven areas before they become a problem. And don't forget to breathe. Clear coat spraying isn't just technique, it's almost meditative. Smooth passes, steady hand, enjoying the transformation. By the end of this coat, you'll already start seeing the difference between an average finish and a professional one. The car is starting to look like glass, and trust me, it's addicting. Second coat is down, and now it's time to let it flash off. This is where the solvents evaporate, the clear starts leveling, and the paint really begins to show its depth and shine. Don't touch it, don't panic. Let it settle. Think of it like giving the car a mini spa break before the final pass. A little patience here goes a long way. Rush it, and you risk runs or orange peel. Let it calm, and you'll be rewarded with that mirror-like finish that makes all the work worth it.